Work hard, stay focused, and never give up on your dreams. Dreams are easy to talk about. Building them takes something different. It takes discipline when nobody's watching. It takes staying focused when distractions are everywhere. And it takes continuing to move forward when the results aren't coming as fast as you hoped. Because success usually doesn't happen overnight. It's built one conversation, one customer, one relationship, and one decision at a time. That's one of the things I love about the opportunity at TruPowur. You're not trying to convince people to buy something they don't need. Businesses and consumers are already using energy every single day, and they're already paying for it. Your opportunity is to help them make smarter energy decisions, uncover potential savings, and reduce unnecessary costs while building a business and residual income for yourself in the process. And when you combine the right opportunity with training, technology, support, and the willingness to consistently put in the work, something powerful starts to happen. You stop thinking only about your next paycheck and start thinking about what you're building. A customer today can become residual income tomorrow. Then another customer gets added, and another, and another. Over time, that compounding effect can completely change the direction of your financial future. But it starts with you. Stay focused, keep learning, keep making the calls, keep having the conversations, keep building relationships, and most importantly, don't give up on the future you know you're capable of creating. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day: energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.